Hello guys, good morning. I know I'm wearing the same t-shirt. I'll be changing now. I have to go take bath. Puja is there another less than an hour. So to go to get ready, very hungry. So yeah, just waiting. I'll just show you. This is the place for puja. Mom's waiting. This fellow wants his food. Where is he? Holy. I'm giving the food to everyone. As usual, busy on the phone. She's sitting and eating. Where is Krishna? Krishna is sitting. He's sleeping. Holy. It's a Gunti Babu. Her mom complaining that she hasn't slept. Loves to be with me always. My partner in crime, my sweetheart. Bell. Say hi. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sono bello. Molto bello. Do you love me? Go to Babu. Hello guys. Good morning. For another day, peaceful Sunday. Have a puja happening now. Like I said yesterday, Satyanarayan puja, and then now I have to sit in the puja. I have to do it, and then evening there's a play that I'm going for. So let's see how that goes.
first.
हरि ओम गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषये मुक्तमस्ति भवन्तो भवन्तो ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಕಾಲ ಸುಮುಹೂರ್ತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಲ ತೊಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪಕ್ಕೆ ಇರಿ ನಮಃ ಶುಭಾಭ್ಯಾಂ ಶುಭೆ ಶೋಭನೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ ರಕ್ಷಾಂಧಾರಯಾಮಿ ಗಣಪತಿ ರಕ್ಷಾಂ ಶಿರಸಾ
ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
ದರ್ಬೆ ಇದು ದೂರ್ವೆ ದರ್ಬೆ ಇದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಮಾರಯಾಮಸೆ ಆಜಿಘ್ರ ಕಲಶಂ ಕ್ಷುರುಧಾರ ಅಪಯಸ್ವಸ್ತ್ಯಾತ್ವಾವಿಶಂತಿಂದವ ಸಮುದ್ರಮೇವ ಸಿಂಧವ ಸಾಮ ಸಹಸ್ರಾಭಜ ಪ್ರಜಯಾ ಪಶುಭಿಸ್ಸಾಪ ನಿರ್ಮಾವಿಷ್ಟಾಧರೇ ತಂತುಂತ ನಕ್ಷತೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಓಂ ಭಾಗದೇಯೇನ ನನಗೆ ಪೂರ್ವ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಓಂ ಭಾಗದೇಯೇನ ಇವೇನಂ ಪ್ರಣಯತೆ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಆಲಶಯ ಉದ್ಧರೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡಬ್ಬೆ ಜೊತೆ ಉದ್ಧರತಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣೇಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ ಸಕಲಾರಾಧನೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಚಿತಂ ಅಸ್ತು अथ ध्यानावाहनादि षोडशोपचार पूजा आराधना विषय ओम ध्याये सत्यम गुणा वो अदृश्य हो गया है। एक ऐसा हो गया है, मैं भी उनके साथ प्राण त्याग करूंगा पतिदेव के साथ, ऐसा कलावती ने सोचा है। वो टाइम पे अंतर्वाणी सिक्स सेंस बोला ऐसा मत करो, आप भगवान का पूजा घर में किया है फिर प्रसाद स्वीकार नहीं किया है, इसकी वजह से वो हो रहा है। आप प्रसाद स्वीकार करने के बाद आ चुका है तो आपका पति भी वट वृक्ष का पीछे बैठा था, उधर नजदीक में गोपालक ने, गांव वाला गोपालक ने सारा मिलकर सत्यनारायण भगवान का पूजा का खेल कर रहा है। वो खेल का पूजा है, वो पूजा होने के बाद प्रसाद को महाराज हमारा राज है ऐसा प्रसाद सामने रखकर वो घर को गया है। फिर उन्हें विश्रांति से उठकर देखा ये गरीब गोपालक ने किया है, मैं नहीं खाता हूँ, इसे छोड़कर राजधानी के लिए वो आया है। तो संतान प्राप्ति होता है, विद्या नहीं है तो विद्या प्राप्ति होता है, पैसा नहीं है तो पैसा प्राप्ति होता है, हेल्थ अच्छा नहीं है तो हेल्थ प्राप्ति होता है। किस लिए प्रार्थना करके सत्यनारायण भगवान का पूजा करता है वो सब संपन्न हो सकता है। इसलिए सत्यनारायण भगवान का पूजा भारते एकदैव यजमान आयुस्तेजो दधाति ओम सप्तदभां मे गोपाय एकसभ्यास वासदः
सर्वांगी सुंदर ओठी सिंदूरा ओठी सिंदूराचे कंटे डरके माल मुक्त पळाते जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्र भाग्य
That's the best part.
सत्यनारायण
Puja is done finally. Just finished. Auntie is there, clueless. Mom is sitting with Krishna. Coffee happening inside. As usual, Adi in his position. Look at him. Attire for today. For the puja. It's done.
ಆಯ್ತು ಪೂಜೆ ಹೊರಟ್ರು ಇವರು ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಭಟ್ರು ಹೌದು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
Tea time. So unfortunately, coffee is done for me.
नीचे छोड़ो उसको क्या करते
She's like four of us are sitting here. Auntie is always concentrating
अरे
elsewhere.
नहीं मैं कह रही हूँ उसके ये इसने सुसु तो नहीं कर दी पॉटी नहीं कर दी डायपर गीला लग रहा है मुझे
Diaper gila hai. What I found. High school photo. So guys, whoever are subscribed and following me, find yourselves in this. Ordered Vienna rice. I've ordered dal pappu from Andhra Ruchulu. Amazing with ghee. And this is paneer shole kebab. Not non-veg, veg. Yeah? Bhagwan puja has been done today. With non-veg will kill me. Oh, all tired. He's the most tired. He's enjoying the most in the puja. Hello, you're looking nice. You were looking nice, now you have changed. So how was the puja? That's all. Very nice.
ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಪೂಜೆ
Wonderful. How was it, man? No idea. Just like this. And as usual, busy man. Didn't even come for the puja. You can't see him. I think he's washing his hand. No. Going to get some sleep now. Puja is done. So post that, have to go to a play in the evening. Play is at Chaudhaya Memorial Hall. Somewhere near Sankey Tank. Going first time. Probably will be going in Mr. Lord Alto. Till then rest a little. Hello guys. Good evening. What is the time now? It's around 6 o'clock. Heading to a play that is like somewhere near Chaudhaya Memorial Hall near Malleshwaram. Recently I've developed this love towards theatre and all that, so trying to see new plays which are very nice. The first one that I've seen was long back with Yash. I forgot the name. In Ronda Shankara. The second one that I saw was Nothing Like Lear. It's a Shakespeare kind of a play, dramatized play. I don't know what that's called, exact word. It's called Nothing Like Lear. It was damn nice. It is a monologue directed by Rajat Kapoor. You all know him, and acted by Vinay Pathak. Amazing, amazing it was. So watching it live than these movies, I think this is the best option. It's a little far away, but worth a Sunday evening visit. So yeah, I'll let you know about the details of the play soon. So let me go watch it and I'll tell you. I think it's running from past, I think more than a decade. It's a famous play. I'll let you guys know what it is and I'll tell you how it is. So chalo, enjoy. What are you guys doing? Hope you had your coffee and tea. Currently just crossed Nivans. And I think from there we have to go right towards Wilson Garden, but I'll be going straight from Double Road, I guess. Yeah, JC Road. Let's see. This traffic is... Till here we didn't have traffic. From here it started. Let's see how it goes. This is the famous JC Road of Namma Bengaluru. All car accessories, bike accessories, all automobile accessories you get here. A to Z. I think probably if you come, you can get a whole lot for your car and bike. I think most of you know it. So yes, enjoy Madi. Peaceful on a Sunday. This is the Chaudhaya Memorial Hall. It's freaking huge. This is a place you can eat. Nice samosas, kachori, chai, chips and all that you get. This is the entry. That's the parking. This is the entrance. Like I said, that's the eating area. That's the parking. Finally made it. Waiting for the play right in time. These are the tickets. Done with the play. One of the most amazing play. I think you guys have to go and watch. It was really nice. Very refreshing. Amazing end to the Sunday. Stuck in Bengaluru traffic again. Heading back home. Shows an hour to reach. But all I can talk about is the play. It was really nice. Amazing. Too good. A must watch. Heading to Kesaria now for dinner. Amazing place. Good food. Yummy food. Lots of food. Finally reached Kesaria. Should we take the lift? No. Let's walk up. This is what you get here in Kesaria. It's empty right now. These are the things that you get here. These are the type of chutneys. And this is masala chai. Added a few more things. It will keep on adding, I'll keep on showing. This is sweet. Gave her with rabdi. Raj kachori chat. This is few types of kachori. This is dal bhati, churma. Now done with the starters. They again give you an option to eat again. It's unlimited. But reserve yourself for the main course. That's like the best. There's halwa, imli pani, salted rabdi. This apparently you should have before eating this for digestion. Kadi, dal and few sabjis here. This is fulka, this is bajre ka roti, this is puri. With ghee. Done na? Hello guys. Had a crazy, super duper amazing dinner. Good choice. We were very hungry after the play, so came to this place called Kesaria. I've shot nice clips for you guys, but I forgot to add the last three dishes that were white rice, pulav, and I think khichdi. After that, we got one kulfi. So amazing, good food. Come with a empty stomach. You'll get so many choices to eat. You can taste few and enjoy the rest. Wait till the main course. Don't fill yourself with starters. It's unlimited. So yeah, good dinner. Amazing place. Never fails to amuse me. Awesome. So yeah, done for the day. Heading back home now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Take care. Good night, guys. See ya.